Hi, first grade. This is lesson 116, and today we are going to learn how to act out and draw pictures for equal group story problems. So you will get out the paper that looks like this, Lesson Worksheet 116A. I already started drawing my pictures, but yours will be blank, and I will give you time to draw pictures. So on the first square, let's start by drawing pretend cars. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles, and those are our pretend cars. So you can hit pause and draw those rectangles, and then hit play again and come back to me. Okay, now that you've drawn your rectangles, we are going to put wheels on our cars, our rectangle cars. So how many wheels does a car have? Yes, 4 is correct. So let's draw 4 wheels on each car. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 5 groups of 4 wheels. How many wheels is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 wheels. So 5 groups of 4 wheels is 20 wheels. We can make a multiplication problem out of this. 5 times 4 equals 20 wheels. Remember, multiplication is taking objects in groups and multiplying those two numbers. Let's do number 2. Number 2, we are going to draw 3 shirts. So first I drew 3 squares and then I added on little sleeves. I have 3 groups and we're going to put 5 buttons on each shirt. So let's draw our 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count our buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 buttons. I'm pretty good at counting by fives too, and I know you guys are too, so we could have said 5, 10, 15. So 3 groups of 5 buttons, 3 times 5 equals 15 buttons. All right, great job, guys. You're getting the hang of this multiplication thing. It always helps me to draw out pictures, but that's just how I learn best. We all learn different ways, but we can all try different ways to see the ways we learn. On number 3, we have 6 cupcakes. I just drew circles to represent cupcakes. And we're going to put 3 candy hearts on each cupcake. So draw your 6 circles. You can hit pause if you need more time, and then draw 3 hearts on each cupcake. I'll do mine while you do yours. Okay, I'm done drawing my 6 cupcakes with 3 hearts on each one. Now I need to count my hearts. I'm not super great at counting by threes, so I'm going to go ahead and count by ones and add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 6 groups or 6 cupcakes of 3 hearts is 18 hearts. 6 times 3 equals 18. All right, our last one. My lines represent bicycles, and we're going to put wheels on our bicycles. How many wheels does a bicycle have? Yep, 2 wheels, right? It's not a tricycle. Tricycle, tri means 3. Bi means 2. So we need to draw 2 wheels on each one of our bicycles. Let's do that now. You can hit pause if you need more time. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, my wheels are on, and I'm pretty good at counting by twos, so I think I'm going to count by twos this time. So I'm going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I have 16 wheels. That means 8 times 2 equals 16. Okay, well, that is it for my lesson today. And now it's time to do guided class practice. So get out your guided class practice 116A and we'll work on this together. All right, I better shrink down my screen here because we can't see all of the problems. Let's see. Oops, wrong way. All right, let's look at number 1. I'll read it to you. Kyle tallied the number of children who wore green. I am looking over here and I see these tally marks, and I know because they are in the form of tallies, like we learned at the beginning of the year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each group is 5 with 3 extras. So how many children wore green? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 children wore green. Oh, now they're getting really tricky. Twice as many children wore green as yellow. How many children wore yellow? I'm going to give you a second to figure this one out. You can hit pause if you want to try it on your own and challenge yourself. Remember, it never hurts to try and be wrong because that's how we learn. But if you want to follow along with me, go ahead and continue. So I'm thinking if there's twice as many children that wore green, that means more children wore green and twice as many as yellow. That means I need to split up these green shirts into 2 groups. So I need to split 18 into 2 separate groups. Then I'll know half of that 18, which is one of those groups, is yellow. So that's kind of confusing. Let me draw it out for you. So I'm going to draw 18 individual tallies. And remember, we have green and we have yellow. So we'll do it this way. Remember, when we're dividing into groups, we'll count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, now let's see how many were yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 kids were yellow. Twice as many were green. So if I check that, 9 were yellow, and if I multiplied 9 times 2, I would have 18. So that tells me that I'm thinking about this problem correctly. All right, now we're going to show 4:53 on the clock. Well, 4:53 is almost 5 o'clock. So I think my hour hand is going to be real super close to that 5. So I'm going to draw my hour hand first. Now I have to draw 53 minutes. So let's count around our clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So I'm going to go to 50, and then I'm going to add on 3. 51, 52, 53. And that is what 4:53 is going to look like on your clock. If you need to hit pause to draw those numbers, you can do that now. Okay, number 3. Draw 3 baskets. Draw 4 oranges in each basket. How many oranges did you draw? All right, I'm going to draw 3 circles for my baskets. And then I'm going to draw 4 little circles in each basket for my oranges. So now I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I drew 12 oranges. Okay, number 4. Draw a small square to show the right angle in the triangle. So we need to figure out where the right angle is in this triangle. And remember, we draw that little square in the corner and it makes a perfect square. I want you to go ahead and try that and then check yours against mine. You can hit pause if you need time to think, or I'll just wait a couple seconds and then I'll do it. Okay, let's see if you were right. Your right angle is going to be right here. That's where you would draw your square. I could fit the corner of a piece of paper right into that square. I'm going to show you right now. If I took a little sticky note and I used it and I put it right there, you can see it fits perfectly. It is a 90-degree angle. Number 5. I will read it to you and give you a chance to do it. You can also hit pause if you need longer. I have 2 quarters, 1 dime, 3 nickels, and 4 pennies. Draw the coins. All right, go ahead and draw those coins, and I will draw mine. 1 quarter. And I know a quarter is worth 25 cents. 2 quarters. 1 dime. 3 nickels. And 4 pennies. Okay, now it's time to count our money. I know 25 and 25 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 5 is 65. 65 plus 5 is 70. And 70 plus 5 is 75. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. I have 79 cents. All right, number 6. It says use the correct symbol. Plus, minus, or times. Okay, let's begin. Is 4 plus 2 8? 4 plus 2 is 6, so it's not a plus sign. Is 4 minus 2 8? I don't think so. How about 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. Let me check. If I have 4 groups of 2, I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's correct. The next one is 2 plus 5 equals 7. Yep, that's right. 2 plus 5 does equal 7. All right, we're going to go to the bottom now and find our answers. Hit pause. I want you to try these on your own and then come back to me and check your work. See you in a minute. Okay, so 86 minus 72. I'm going to take 6 minus 2 is 4, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So 86 minus 72 is 14. I can check my work by reversing it. 4 plus 2 is 6. And that's correct. 1 plus 7 is 8. So that's correct. Let's go to the next one. 41 minus 17. Okay, I'm going to start with my ones column. I'm going to make this just a little bigger for you. All right, 1 minus 7. I can't subtract 7 from 1 because 7 is more than 1. So I'm going to reorganize my problem and borrow from my neighbor. My 4 becomes a 3 and my 1 becomes an 11. So 11 minus 7. I can do that now. 11 minus 7 is 3. Let me check that. 3 plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not correct. Let me do that over. 11 minus 7 I can count on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 4. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Let me check that. 2 plus 1 is 3, and that's correct. So my answer is 24. It's always important to double check your work. Let's add 621 to 189. Okay, 1 plus 9 is 10. I'm going to carry my 1. And 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I'm going to carry my 1, and then 6 plus 2 is 8. My answer is 810. Now remember, when you're subtracting, you always have to subtract from the top number down. But when you're adding, I always start with the biggest number first, and that's okay to do. Okay, our last problem is $3.79 plus $2.43. Let's add. 9 plus 3 is 12. I'm going to put my 2 here and carry my 1. All right, 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12. I'm going to put my 2 in the tens place here and regroup my 1 into the hundreds. I need to bring down my decimal because we're talking about money right now. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got to bring down my dollar sign. I have $6.22. All right, that's it for our guided class practice. I hope you were able to get all the correct answers. I am going to ask you to also do your multiplications. In the meantime, I think I will post the answers right in to Buzz so you can check your work on the multiplications. All right, so I will see you later. Bye.